Alright, so I've been talking about finishing this bathroom for a hot minute, but I'm going to try and do it today because there isn't that much left. I'm just procrastinating. I need to put contact paper on this surface, these two surfaces, and this one. It's going to be a lot of wood, so I hope it looks nice. If it doesn't, I can just rip it off. It's very red and kind of orangey, this wood, but it feels kind of 70s, and that's what I'm going for in this house. We put up the wallpaper a couple weeks ago. It isn't perfect, but it's good enough, and that's all that matters. I have some footage of when I put up the wallpaper on my own, which I will insert somewhere here. Well, at least we know it's sticky. This hair is driving me insane. I hate this. I hate this so much. Whoever said peel and stick wallpaper is easy is a fucking asshole. That's the way. Am I doing it? And I feel deceived and lied to by these DIY YouTubers that do peel and stick wallpaper all the time. The internet is a lie. I'm here to tell you the truth. It's not easy. Even if I am doing this alone, I don't think that's the only thing that's making this difficult, and I feel so annoyed. So annoyed. That looks safe. It's horrible. Don't do wallpaper on your own. And another thing I was thinking of is, should I paint this like chimney thing brown? I think I'll just do it because it's already dark in here, so lean into it, and if it sucks again, I can buy some white paint and just paint over it. Just going for the dark vibe. And yeah, and then I want to put the door handles on here and we'll be done. So hopefully this will be a quick video because I don't think it's that interesting for you to watch me put contact paper for an hour. Here we go. finally, why is it so crooked? We finally decided to put handles on. So those little dots here and here. Boop. Bop. And I will start by, don't look inside, attaching my sacrificial piece of wood. Where does it need to go? Here. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay.
Yes, baby.
Yeah?
Did you try this?
It's perfect! It's wonderful!
Jesus Christ.
Love it. It's the next day. I finished putting the handles and I'll show you the end results later. But now, I'm like, should I paint this brown? Maybe. There's some stains from when I dyed my hair. And I just, you know, I've got some brown paint. And also I need to cover up this hole up there. Right next to the lamp. There. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. I want to get some painting done before my boyfriend comes home so I can surprise him because I always find that fun. So here we go. I hope it doesn't suck. I hate painting, by the way, so yeah. I'm gonna listen to some emo stuff from my my youth. And here's the first slap. Ah! I hope I have enough paint. Again, I'm a terrible painter. I didn't put anything on the floor to protect it. So I need to saturate my brush. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I already got some paint on the wall, so off to a strong start. I'd like to get just this like wall done first. It's gonna be so dark and moody. So this brush is losing its bristles, but that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Fine. Right? Saturate the fuck out of it. Because I don't want to do a second coat. Say it with me. I don't want to do a second coat. And if I don't put enough paint, I'll have to do a second coat. I also have to pick all these fucking bristles off the wall. Okay, more bristles. That's great. That's grand. Where can I put my collection of bristles? Come on, get off. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is the finished bathroom with the brown wall. I actually ended up not doing the other side of the wall because I don't know how I feel about it. I wonder if it might be better to stay in white to make it just a little brighter. Please let me know in the comments if you prefer the white or the brown. My boyfriend kind of prefers the white, so maybe I'll paint it back to white. But at least we know, you know, we get a general idea. Pretty happy with the outcome. It's pretty cute, in my opinion. The handles turned out really nice, and we've adopted having handles very easily. And the peel and stick is nice. It's on the red side, but it's nice. It really makes this bathroom a little more unique looking and warmer and cozy, maybe a little luxurious. You totally can't tell where I had to put two pieces of paper together, can you? Fantastic. Yeah, this is the bathroom. This is the final look. Thanks for joining me while I tried to make this a little more our style and take it away from the millennial grey. Let me know what you think. Let me know if we should do the wall all white or do it brown. That's all. See you next time for more failed DIYs. Bye!